Hi everybody, it's Crystal. Welcome to my channel. Oh, I'm so super excited for this. I just wanted to show you guys because I know a lot of people are watching my original video about this, and I wanted to show you the finished outcome. But first, I do have a tutorial for this hat. It is called my Stitch Sampler Beanie, and I do for the blanket that you see back there. It's called the Beauty Runs Deep Blanket. It's also sold in a Mary Maximum Afghan kit as well. So you can find on YouTube or Mary Maxim. Anyways, so there was a video I did of where I have a standard poodle. His name is Doug, for those of you who don't know. And when his hair grows out, you know, and it becomes like spring or summer, I'll clip it short. Well, I clipped it short this time, and you know, poodles get a lot of hair. So I had it sent to a place that spins yarn, and they spin dog hair yarn. Some people think it's kind of gross, all right? And I just want to tell you that they thoroughly clean the yarn. It runs through, I don't know, a couple cycles of cleaning, and then they do some type of steaming at the end. But anyways, I sent it to them, and he's brown, if you've never seen him, like a chocolate color. And he's really curly. So I sent this yarn to this to this yarn company. It's called Blue Mountain Meadow Farms, I do believe. I'll put the link below in the description box. But they do have some certain requirements in order for you to send your fiber in. You gotta have like 3 pounds of it, no, 2 pounds of it at least, and it has to be at least 3 inches. Well, I had plenty of that. One shaving of that was for of Doug was enough because he's super thick. Anyways, I sent it to them, and I told them, I asked them if they would spin it 50% of Doug, of his hair, and 50% of merino that they had there on their own farm. You know, you could do it any percentage that you wanted, but that's what I wanted. So they did. It was actually relatively inexpensive to have that done, cheaper than a hank of hand-dyed yarn. But that would depend as well on how much of their merino they put in it. So like I said, I did mine 50-50. Most dog hair you find is like 10% dog hair and 90% another fiber. But I wanted more of my dog. So I was able to get, excuse me, I think it was 7.5 or 8 hanks of 300 yards each of DK weight. I call it Poodlerino. That's funny, isn't it? No, I'm just kidding. Anyways, and then I had it sent to someone I commissioned. Someone I knew that knit, who has knitted for me in the past. Very, very good knitter, to knit me a cardigan. So I found a pattern that I liked, a knit pattern that I liked on Ravelry, I think that's how you say it. And I sent that, purchased the pattern, I think it was like $8 or something, and I sent her the pattern, and then I sent her the yarn, and it's back. I haven't seen it yet. She just told me that it was gorgeous, because I like the element of surprise, so I haven't looked, but I'm really excited that I got my dog's fur. Trust me, it's not disgusting. A lot of people do this. A lot of people will do it. They'll say, you know, for their dogs that have passed away, and a lot of people just do it to have dog hair yarn is actually pretty soft. Now Doug, on the other hand, he's a little coarse, but not too bad. But I did mix it with merino, so I'm just gonna see how it feels. I'm so excited. But in the description box, I'll also link the pattern that I sent her below. It's knitted, in case you're interested. Not the pattern itself, but where I purchased the pattern. Okay, so the cardigan that I'm getting ready to show you is a knit pattern. Like I said, I'll link it to where you can purchase it below. It's called the Minimalist Cable Cardigan by Karina Spencer, and it was $8 to purchase it on Ravelry. So that's what you're going to see right now. You could have made it long or a crop top, but anyway, I made it long because I'm not into crops. Oh man, this is my Doug Cardi. My Doug Cardi. Wendy is a very good knitter, and if you're watching, Wendy, thank you so much for doing this for me. I super appreciate it, and all the other things that you've knitted for me as well. Are you guys ready? I'm so excited. I hope that it fits. I tried to do the best sizing, follow the sizing that the pattern says, but super excited. I've never been more excited for a cardigan my entire life. Oh, look! I still have hanks of Doug's yarn left, full. I hanked him, or I caked him up for her so she wouldn't have to do that. So this is what Doug's yarn looked like. This is 50% poodle yarn, or poodle hair, and 50% merino. If you look, you can see the little curlies. That's Doug. Oh, I have 2 left. I'm gonna make. I need a knitted hat to match. I guess I can make I have another hank as well here. I guess I can make a crochet one. Here it is. Now it does call for 5 buttons, and she asked me if I wanted her to sew the buttons on, and I told her not to do that because I decided that the buttons that I had sent her, I didn't really want to use those, so I'm going to pick out different ones. So remember, it does call for 5 buttons. I just want to find some better ones, and I don't like the ones that I sent her, really, so she left them off. Oh, there's a card. I'm gonna make sure I haven't even looked at the cardigan. I'm so super excited. Oh, she says, I hope this fits. Included the leftover yarn. Maybe you can make a hat and scarf to match. That's exactly my thoughts. I can, because I have another hank of this still in the hank. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh, this is my Doug's cardigan. Oh, I hope it fits. So this is the minimalist cable cardigan, Katrina Spencer. Oh, it's beautiful. Let's look at the cables in it. There it is. Oh, that's so pretty. I gotta try it on. I don't know. I know. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm just scared it's not gonna fit. I'm scared it's not gonna fit. It fits! Look! I love it! It fits! It fits! You know what? I might not even put buttons on it. I might, I guess, just for the decoration. But, because she did add some buttonholes on the side. But I like it like this. Do you guys think it fits, or do you think it's too small? No. What do you guys think? I think it fits. Let me look at the picture of how they're wearing it in the, how they're wearing it. Oh, they got theirs a little bit cuffed. Not all the way, just a little. Halfway. They got them kind of cuffed like that in a pic. But you wouldn't have to wear them cuffed. I'm just excited. Oh, I love it. Do you guys think it fits? Here's where the buttons would start. Right here. It calls for 5 buttons right here, if you want to put them on. But, oh, I love it. I love it. I do. Oh, I'm so excited. It's I love it. I love it. Oh my gosh, I've been waiting for this for so long. So long I've been waiting. And I think it fits just fine. But what do you guys think? Does it fit pretty good? This has got to be one of my favorite cardigans now. Now, I have a lot of cardigans, but that I like, that I have knitted from people and stuff like that. But this one has to be my favorite because it's made out of my puppy's yarn. Now, I will say it is a bit itchy on my arms, and I knew it would be because Doug's a coarse dog. I'm gonna put a flannel underneath it because that's how it is shown in the picture. Just a second. I mean, I guess you don't have to do that. It looks fine with this t-shirt, doesn't it? Give me 1 second. Alright, so this is how the lady in the picture has it, only with a blue flannel underneath it, only not with a red shirt. Never mind that red shirt, it doesn't match, but yeah, I like it. I think it looks good. I probably won't wear the flannel underneath it. I just want to see what it looked like. Like, this is a new flannel too. It's never even been worn, so it's kind of like stuck in its collar shape. So I like it. I do. Will I get buttons? I don't know if I'll probably get the buttons, you know, for show, because they go like right here. Yeah. But otherwise, it does look pretty good, and I'm pretty excited about it. What do you guys think? Do you like it? It's really hot with all the shirts on. Alright, that's better. I took that flannel off. I just wanted to see what it looked like if it matched, if it fit under flannel, like the picture shows. Well, it also shows them under t-shirts too, but I think I'm just going to wear it under a t-shirt. It's not really, like I said, it's a bit scratchy just right here, but nothing I can't tolerate, because I could tolerate all kinds of scratchy wool. And this is my dog. Of course I can tolerate it. So I love it. Thank you so much, Wendy. I think it fits just fine. I'll find some nice wooden buttons, 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I doubt that I'll ever like wear it buttoned. I generally don't. Sometimes I do. Maybe I'll button a cardigan. It depends. But it looks like I got, you know, I'm grabbing my shirt. I got plenty of room here if I did button it. See that? So it's definitely fits me just fine, I think. Let's see here. Yeah. I like it. What do you guys think? You like it? It's my favorite cardigan in the whole wide world. Thanks for watching, guys. Oh, if you want to see the original video of where I talked about how I got my dog's yarn spun, in case you're wanting to do that, remember, it's super clean. They go through an extensive cleaning process when they do that. I'll link that video below, as well as the pattern that I purchased off Ravelry for this to give to Wendy. Remember, it's knitted, in case anybody is interested. It's very pretty pattern, I think. And it works well with my Duggarino. I'll see you guys in my next video. Hey, thanks for watching with me. And then, you know, because I was super excited, I had to share with somebody. Bye, guys.